Guys, and welcome back to yet another video. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you're new here, you're most welcome. Thank you so much for your support. I don't take it for granted. I really appreciate each and everyone. So in this video, here we are at Roundabout, and I want to show you what is happening. Today is Sunday, so there's not much traffic and you can clearly see what is going on. There's much happening here, construction and all that. So I want to get inside this place and know what is really happening. We get to know the kind of construction that is going on. If you remember, before this place used to be like a parking for so many vehicles, and again there was this public toilet, so the place was not well kept. And maybe they saw the need to utilize this place. Remember also the Nairobi River passes over here, and they started by cleaning the Nairobi River, and people used to be here washing and cleaning with that water, and the place was unkept. But now things are different. There's something that is going to come up from this place, and maybe it will look much better because it is in fact near the CBD. Yeah, so we are here already. We are inside this place, and you can see there are still people working. It's on Sunday, so I want to go direct to this signboard and read what is happening here. Most of the lightings are in Chinese, but let me read this one in English. So the overview of Kenya Nairobi River Basin Ecological Restoration Project is the title. The Nairobi River Basin Ecological Restoration Project upstream section is located in Nairobi, the capital of Nairobi. The proposed project site is the River Channel and its extended bank areas with a total length of approximately 26.6 kilometers. This section belongs to the upstream section of the Nairobi River Basin Ecological Restoration Project with a total construction period of 12 months. Oh, okay, this will take a very short time. The main construction content include construction of a 19-kilometer main sewage canal, total with both sides, and a 17.4 kilometers branch canal, total with both sides, 2 ecological weirs, 2 garbage interception dams, 4.48 kilometers of footpath, 2 vehicle bridges, 1 artificial wetlands. So this is what we read from this post, and again you can see this is Nairobi River. The title is Nairobi River Basin Ecological Restoration Project. The employer is Ministry of Defense of the Republic of Kenya, and the design unit is China Energy Engineering Group. Yeah, Guangxi Electric Power Design Institute Co. Limited. So this is what you read from this project. But I tried also to talk to some people who are doing the construction in this area, and they explained to me that as much as they are working on the restoration of the Nairobi River in this area, they are still trying to create, to make it like a recreation park. So this area will be a recreational park, and again, there was much need to utilize this area because it was unkept and it's just near the CBD. So they are trying to utilize this space to look it even better and maybe to bring some resources to the government, something like that. So I just saw the need to go to the upper decker, because this is where I could view this area very well instead of just inside the roundabout. And it's amazing. You can see that there is some work going on, and it looks amazing, the construction. And again, from this area you can also see the river. It's a bit kept, it's well kept, so no one is coming inside, so just construction going on. And this is what I want to show you to the end, so just enjoy watching. And I really appreciate everyone. Thanks so much for being part of this channel.